am Pratama and English teacher of Governor Secondary School, Dumuria. I congratulate all the students of class 10 and invite to attend my class. The chant is Unit 12 Roots. Let us review our chant. The aim of my lecture is the students will able to know the condition of each day. The students will able to know the condition of each day. Let us go to our lesson. I can read out this lesson. Eid is the main religious festival of Muslim in Bangladesh. Eid means happiness. Everyone wants to share this happiness with near and dear ones. So most of the people who are living outside their homes for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacation. As a result, there is a mad rush to board business buses, trains, or launches for going home. This often causes transport accidents that take away many lives. However, this cannot stop people from going home to meet their family, in-laws, or friends. What makes people from going home to meet their family, in-laws, or friends? What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is nothing but people desire to return their roots. Do human beings have roots like trees? The answer is yes, but unlike the roots of the trees, they are invisible. They lie in our minds. It's these roots that make a bond between us and family members, in-laws, friends, neighbors, or even between us and the land where we are born and grew up. In that sense, our families are land of birth, relative, our culture, tradition, our surroundings are our roots, and wherever we stay, we feel the power of our roots. It's our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are. When we lose that bond, we become rootless. Human beings who do not have any roots are an entity. In other words, they do not have an identity. They do not know where they are from and or where they are heading to. This often makes them feel empty and lost. Now we can discuss some new words. Here are some new words. Festival. Festival means celebration. Festivals means celebration. Happiness means glad. Happiness means glad. Vacation. Vacation means holiday. Vacation means holiday. Religious means spiritual. Spiritual. Religious means spiritual. Bond means connection. Bond means connection. Desire. Desire means wish for, long for. Invisible. 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 Invisible means unseen. Invisible means unseen. Invisible means unseen. Tradition means convention. If you have any question to know these words, you can ask me. Surroundings means environment. Surroundings means environment. Relatives means 8 and 10. Relatives mean 8 and 10. Empty means empty means fill. Empty means fill in the gap. Neighbor means all who lives surrounding. Now we can ask some question. What is the main religious festival for Eid? What is the main religion? What is the main? What is the main? What is the main festival? What is the main religious festival? For Muslims? What is the main religious festival for Muslims? Eid is the main religious festival for Muslims. Eid is the main religious Eid is the main religious festival for Muslims. Eid is the main religious festival for Muslims. Now, next questions. How do you mean? How do you mean bond? What do you mean bond? What do you mean by bond? Bond means bond means connection. Bond means connection. Bond means connection. Bond means connection. Here bond means connection. Here bond means connection. Next is what? Next question is what do you mean by roots? Here roots is unchanged. Here root is unchanged. Root is like the branches of trees. So our roots are ties of the men and women. During the period of festival, we go for our home for relatives, grandparents, families, religious place, etc. Religious place, etc. If have you any questions, you can ask me. What do you mean develop? What do you mean by develop? Yeah, develop means produce. Produce. Yeah, develop means produce. So I can understand. We can understand this lesson. We can go to next lesson tomorrow or next day. I think that you have understood my lesson, and next lesson will be 3, and hope you are well. Thank you.